this one I call the Frankenstein because there's actually all these pressure points up here. So, and in the Brain Gym book, they're like grabbing like that, but I have my hat on and there's no way I'm taking it off. So you just kind of grab above the eyebrows, and they get to pull. I call it the Frankenstein because they get to pull up like on their forehead like that. And that releases some of the pressure points up here if you want some of the science behind it. I'm telling you, you don't need any science behind it. All you need to do is try it and see if your kid's doing better in school. That's all. And you just kind of pull up. And that one is the Frankenstein. From there, while we're still kind of on our face, I'll have them do the yawn. So right where your mandibles, right where they kind of, where your jaw opens, that's how I tell them where your jaw opens. Right here, you rub in a circle. And then you just give a yawn. I keep rubbing. And you do that one 3 times. You yawn again and again, which I'm not going to do because it'll make you keep yawning. And then while the hands are kind of still at the head, I'll do what's called the pancake. So they can take the tips of their ears, I call it the pancake because you get to roll your ears out. Chosen. You roll your ears out kind of flat like a pancake, all the way down to the earlobe, where you grab onto the earlobe and massage, and you do that one 3 times as well. One more time. There's a pancake. And remember, you always end with a hookup, meaning the rattlesnake one or this one if you'd like. Okay.